Hey everyone, Lewis here again. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys another example of how to look for products to sell on your Amazon FBA store. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen my last videos, please do so. But um, I usually do product research videos like this. So I usually look for products that are more profitable on other websites compared to on Amazon. So I usually bring up or pull up two different websites side by side. So for example, this one is an Amazon listing, right? And then I usually pull up the supplier website. And by supplier, I mean retailers like Sierra. So, and the first thing that I usually do is I usually look if the two products are matching as far as the product. So I usually look at the title, photo, description, size. So for this one is a Carhartt men's relaxed fit fleece um, pullover. So the model number is 10. So there's a model number here. So usually copy it and then find that number. So it's not there. Okay. But based on the photos, it looks like they're the same products, right? And this one is actually sold out. But just for example purposes, I would use the product just for product research. So what I would do here is I would get the cost, which is $29, right? And then I would run the numbers. So $29 is the cost. The sale price of this product on Amazon is about, it says 109 here, but here it says 66. So I'll put 66 right there. And then I look at the ROI. Usually the ROI is 50%. The profit is about 15%, $15. Sales per month is about 1,400, but this one is a variation. So for variations like this one, I usually go to the variation tab on SellerAmp right there. And then I pick the exact variation, which is this one right here. It's usually auto selected already. And then from here, I click on check. Where is it at? So for this variation, so this variation is actually not getting any sales. So for this one, I would skip it because clearly this one is not getting any sales, right? So why would we buy it? So yeah, this one is going to be a skip. And then from here, we move on to the next product. Wow, this one is not available on Target, right? So this one I would skip. Another way to do this is I would do a reverse search on this product by going here on SellerAmp and clicking on G. Wait a minute, what happened there? Or I think I clicked the wrong one. Or to make it easier, actually here, I'm sorry, the wrong G. So I would click here on G, Google, and then I would go to shopping, right? I usually go to shopping, and then I look for the exact same product with a max cost of $70.06, right? So I would look for the same product that's basically under 70 bucks. I think this one maybe, right? But I'll save that for another video, guys. Yeah, so for this example, I'll just skip it because the product is not on Target anymore, right? So yeah, next product. Next product is a Tums candy, I think, for heartburn. So Let's see. So this one is available at Target. So I would click on Rakuten's 1% cashback here. I think the cost is $4.99, right? Yeah, cost is $4.99. $4.99. Why is it negative? This one's to count. Same product. So it says negative ROI. So I would scroll down and just see. Yeah, it's negative. Never mind. This one is a negative ROI product. So this one we're going to skip to. So we're going to move on to the next product. It's this one. Let's see. So 250 on Amazon and 250 on the same website. Let's see if other sellers are selling it for a higher price. Yeah, they're selling this one for a higher price. But the problem is Amazon is on the listing. And Amazon has about 1,000 or more in inventory, and they're selling this at a lower price, obviously, which gives us a negative 20% ROI or 20% ROI. So this one would also be a skip. So I would move on to the next product. So next product is a horse toy, our generation from here to there. Palomino paint horse, okay. Wow, this one is not on Target either. Yeah, it seems like these products are selling out pretty quickly. So, again, if you guys want to search another website, I would click here on Google. And then I would go to shopping right there. And then I would look for this exact same product with max cost of about $53. So which means I'm going to look for products that are $53 or less, right? So yeah, so next one. Oh man, this one is not working either. Yeah, it seems like my batch of products that I chose to look at are not really good products. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys got some value from the video. I will keep doing a product research video so you guys can be able to find profitable products for Amazon FBA business. And if you guys got a value from the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so other people can see it too. See you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.